Here's how to download and install Godot for free on your PC or laptop. Open your browser and search for Godot Engine, then go to the official godotengine.org website. Click Download, and you will see two versions available. The standard Godot engine uses GDScript, a Python-like language designed specifically for Godot that's beginner-friendly and fast to learn. Godot.net includes C# support for developers who already know C# or need access to the wider .NET ecosystem for more advanced projects. If you are just starting out, choose the standard version. Click Download for your chosen version. The file is small and downloads quickly. Open your Downloads folder and extract the zip file. Unlike most software, Godot does not have a traditional installer. Double-clicking the extracted exe file opens the engine directly. No installation wizard, no setup steps. Once open, click Create to start a new project, give it a name, and choose where your project files will be saved. Click Create and Edit, and you will be in Godot's editor ready to start building your game. Because Godot is self-contained, you can also run it from a USB drive or any folder without installing anything on your system permanently. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.